if you are facing issues with video calls on Messenger. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Then here are some steps you can follow to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. So let's get started. First of all, ensure you have a stable internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. A slow or unstable connection can cause video call issues. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa to see that resolve this issue. Now for iOS, go to the App Store, and for Android, go to the Google Play Store. Then search for the Messenger and tap on the update if an update is available. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Now let's check camera and microphone permissions. Ensure that Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your camera and microphone. Go to the settings, scroll down till the bottom, and there you will get to see apps option available. Tap on it. Inside apps, scroll down and look for the Messenger and simply tap on it. Then all you have to do is ensure camera and microphone are enabled.